You gotta say, hey, McKinney.
Our children will have the same bond that we had. They would always have somebody to talk to, always have somebody to be around. I really thank God that He made us pregnant at the same time.
Okay, y'all, happy 4th of July. Almost 4th of July. We getting the food prepped and ready. Here we go. We got the ribs right here. People don't like seeing raw food, so if you don't like seeing raw food, sorry. We marinating it. We getting it together, getting ready to be on the grill tomorrow. Here we go. We got the knuckles, the weenies, all that good stuff right there. We got the ribeyes right here. Who got some ribeyes?
Riblets.
Riblets, sorry. Riblets right here. We basically just getting the ribs. I didn't even look at, man, y'all, I didn't even look at the box. I saw the RIB. I just said, So they just prepping the meat right now. We got chicken wings we're gonna get. We're gonna have macaroni and cheese. We're gonna have baked beans. We're gonna have potato salad. We're gonna have varieties of food. You know, these two. Can I was just gonna say
Y'all look fine.
No.
These two lovely ladies right here.
Just like that, we'll give them a quick look. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, they so funny. These are the cooks, y'all. You know, they throws down in the kitchen. You know, they do all the cooking and stuff. Me and Ty, boom. Nah, me and Ty try to help, but you know, we can cook. I can cook, but I'm not the best. I'm not a chef. I'm more like a McDonald's worker cook. I really don't know much, but I know.
They don't want to start prepping.
Who are the boys? We know y'all miss the boys. Kingdom and Kyler. Hey. They everywhere now, y'all. Literally. Ooh, hey Zach. Hey Zach. Y'all like my hair? Ty did my hair. I'm gonna get my hair did. Ty finna get her hair did. Listen, we don't want to talk about why we gotta get our hair. Ooh, I look a mess. We don't want to talk about why we gotta get our hair redid already. It shouldn't even be this extreme. No, we ain't even gonna get into that. It makes me upset. But Taisha will be. Taisha twisted my hair. Erica's finna twist her hair. But it's stuff everywhere, y'all. Stuff going on everywhere. The two cooks right here, like I told y'all. Let me go show y'all the baby. What a turn. Oh, over here. Fat. Ooh, Jesus. Turn it around. So look at the babies, y'all. Look at Kyla. Look. Erica's eating. What is that, Erica?
It's a strawberry parfait.
It's a strawberry parfait. And the kids, look. The boys are eating it. We know y'all miss the boys.
Kyla won't look back.
We're going to do a vlog soon with just the boys, like play date or whatever.
Yummy. You're grabbing his belly.
Oh, excuse me.
Nom, nom.
Say thank you. Daddy. Are good, Kingland?
My wife just told me not to give him none, and look, I got caught. Here.
Yeah.
Especially with Kylie. No sweets for this one.
Ooh, is that good, my man?
Love it.
They can be jumping off the sky.
Look, y'all. But they have gotten so big.
So big.
So big. Yay.
All right.
They say, all right, my butt. Look at them. Look, King just staring at the cup and staring at you. God bless you.
Thank you.
They so sweet, y'all. They so smart. They have gotten so big. We're going to do a full update on the boys. Not this vlog, but the next vlog. Full update. Nothing but them on the vlog. We know y'all waiting on that. Kingland got...
Kyle over here stretching. It's like, wow. It's quite delicious. Is he yummy?
Yeah.
He's doing more time.
I know. Look, get more.
That was just cute.
Kingland, say more, please. More, please. Good job. They so smart, y'all. Sweet babies, y'all. Sweet babies. They got so good. Erica's on the ones and twos. Right, Erica?
Yep.
God bless you, Wing Wing. God bless you, Wing Wing.
Oh, bless you. All right, one more color and it's all gone.
They so sweet, y'all. Anyways, that's them. We'll be back in a little bit. Say bye-bye, Wing Wing. Wing Wing. Y'all, look at that play area over there. They crazy. We tied them, cleaned it up, and get right back messed up. Look, Kyla is not leaving the food.
I just gave him some more.
Bye-bye.
The rest is icy.
Bye-bye. All right, y'all, we'll be back in a sec. Bye. Okay, y'all, so it's the next morning. My mom and my auntie did not go to sleep. They did not go to sleep until 5 o'clock well, look, my mama, my auntie, and me, because I stayed up with them all night. They did not go to sleep until 5 o'clock. We did not go to sleep until 5 o'clock. Y'all know I got Kingland, so he was up at about 8. So I'm up. I'm cleaning up the kitchen and getting everything ready for everybody. My auntie is still asleep in the room. My mama just walked back in the door. You know, we just basically getting everything ready for people to come. We cleaning up the house. They basically cooked all the meats last night on the grill. They grilled all the meats last night. So basically they just gonna pop them in the oven and warm them up and stuff. I got an incense on the stove. It smells so good, y'all. Look. It smells so good. If you know, you know. But Kingland is in his high chair. He just got done eating breakfast. He's crying for me to get him. I'm not finna get him right now because he's watching TV. He's calm. We got a water slide. Let me show y'all. I look a mess, y'all. This the morning. Don't just. What's up, McKinney squad? Okay, we here with the 4th of July. You feel me? You feel me? So I'm gonna walk y'all out outside. There go Ty. Say hey, Ty. Fresh. Let me read the shirt. 4th of July, Juneteenth. Show them my shirt, sir.
Wait, show them mine first.
I say Juneteenth, free.
It say 4th of July and it's marked through it.
Free
since, you know what I'm saying?
June 19th, 1868. Come on.
That's Donisha's shirt, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, fresh, Nene, fresh. Turn around with the Vans on, Nene. Period. And that's on Mary Had Out or what?
Little Lambs.
Period.
Okay,
so y'all, we got this right here for the babies. That's my little nephew.
The babies are currently napping, y'all.
Yeah, Kingland and College napping. We got this right here for the big kids. Is it cold, B?
I've been here. Yeah, but it's warm down here and
come on, Ellie, your turn.
let's take up. But you get your head first next time?
Now be careful though, because it ain't full yet now. Please be careful, Jesus.
Right, don't mess with that, Miles.
Mama, head first.
No, not yet.
Mama.
Well, go.
She did head first already.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Head first. Head first.
Whoa. Wait a minute. Y'all, me and Ella dressed just alike.
Yeah, me and Ellie's dressed just alike. We'll post a picture right here of them.
Yeah, we'll post a picture of I just wanted to go ahead and take our picture because I knew she was.
First of all, hold on. Let's get into this skin. Let's get into this hair. Turn around, Nene. Let's get into the hair. Yay. And that's on what? Period.
Take a picture of me.
Ella, you gotta say, hey, McKinney.
Shoot, B.
Come on, I'm gonna take a picture. Come on.
What they coming down, Ty? Get it, you gotta get it. Like, Ella, go face first next time. Go, B.
Huh? Head first. Me head first.
Look.
Okay.
You wanna go down the slide, Miles?
No.
He go down the slide.
Not right now, Dad. Knock it. Don't let him get in here.
Me again.
Say cheese, B. B, say cheese. Go get down and get her picture. Okay. All right, y'all. We're going inside. We come back out in a little bit. It's a little bit too hot out here. Say peace, McKinney.
Peace.
McKinney, what?
Peace.
Ella always understand the assignment, and she always come through. Whoa, some on my foot. But look how cute this is for the babies, y'all. But when they wake up, they're gonna be in this. They napping. They got to have their nap. Y'all already know that. Got to have their nap. I'm so fine, y'all. Hey, sissy. Now tell them I lost weight. Tell them how many pounds I lost. Y'all, Ty lost like 30 pounds.
26.
God,
but Demetrius 25 because he don't let me have my little 1 pound.
We're going inside, y'all. Hold on, we'll be back. Let them know who you is.
My name be Chris, but my family name is Brian.
Period.
That's me.
That's him. That's him. Don't play with that.
Gang, gang. Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
Don't play with it at all. Unless you ready to lay with it.
Nasty one.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let them know who you is, so.
I'm the doppelganger. I like both of them.
And that's on Mary. You like both of who, baby?
I like you and that.
You ain't got no choice because we your sisters, dummy.
I don't look like the parents. I look like them.
Period. Period.
Wait, check the fit.
Fit, check the fit. Wait, she said check the fit. Sis said check the fit. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down. It is. What you fixing? You still on your lovely plate. Let's see what she got going on. She got some macaroni and cheese right here, some collard greens, some ribs. Yeah. And the sausage. Don't play with the sausage now.
That juice hot. Because I burnt my food.
Because you did what, Bailey?
I burnt my food.
Right here, baby. We know y'all. We ain't forgot about y'all, baby. We got
Don't play with that. What you got over here, Chris? Let me see that plate, Chris. Oh yeah, she got the full course right here. Right here, cranberry got the collard green. She got the mac and cheese, the chicken, the rib, the hot. Don't play with that. Don't play with it. Tell me. Don't play with it. Yeah, at all. Stir them green. Stir them green. Yeah.
pull that meat up from the top.
Pull that meat up so they can see that. They gotta see that. Yeah. All right, we don't play. They don't play. Her right here and her right here, baby, they don't play, baby. They cook every last bit of this food we about to eat today. Everything y'all see on these plates, they cooked it. You know who it is first. You know what it is first. Brian over here getting all the damn wings. He getting all the damn wings. Over there. The macaroni.
You want cornbread?
I done stole some. Yes, I did. I ate some of it. Daddy guy, you want to Oh, Jamar done walked in the building.
Where we going?
Say hey to the camera.
What up, y'all? It's McKinney's.
Wait.
You sure? You need Gorilla.
I need Gorilla Glue, she said. Right there.
Shell. How you going? We're going to run
How are you? And Dan. They lying. Period.
So I'm gonna be back because you know I'm the cute sister.
I'm only one person. I mean, if y'all could split me in half, I'll let y'all. Hold on, wait. We the
And that's on period.
We're the doppelgangers of the team.
Right in the middle of come here. It's that first time. I know they ain't seen no fireworks last year.
What up, y'all?
To YouTube.
What's up, boo? What's going on?
His handsome self. Why you had to do that? You gotta be silly. You gotta be damn silly. Look at King. Boo-boo. 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 Demetrius.
He watching the fireworks, baby. He ain't be.
Hey, look, he know his name, though.
Where's that little?
Right? They popping fireworks all the way over there.
That's what I promise you is right there at the corner. We always got fireworks. Whoa.
Get up. I gotta work tomorrow.
Let me go up here, babe. They running, y'all. They running. They running. Look, Jamal. Look at me.
Whoa, look.
That's a... How much? She up here playing with the boys, y'all. Everybody getting ready to go home. It's late. It's dark outside.
No.
King Glenn, be sweet.
Be nice.
Look at Carla. He said to this.
Nose.
He said nose. Good job.
Nose.
Good job, baby.
Yay. Look at her. Whoa. They saw fireworks tonight. Kingland loved them.
Yeah. He loved the fireworks, babe.
He did. Kylie didn't care for them too much, but the loud ones they didn't like. Kingland liked the colors.
He liked the loud ones and all of them. He don't care. He liked all the fireworks. Carla didn't really too care about the fireworks. He was scared of them.
No, stop.
Kingland, where's your nose? Where's your nose? He don't care, y'all.
Auntie, it's not a whole pan. It's literally like half a pan.
Y'all like having a smoke party. Dienesha staying too. She thinks she ain't staying, but her ass staying. She's staying. She ain't gonna leave me here with these children.
You saying that?
I'm going home. Really? I'm going home. You that real? I mean, these damn real? Yeah, my sister ain't gonna do me like that. She gonna stay.
Why you did?
Anybody only turn over here, you there. I don't like kids. I do not. I like my kids, your kids. I don't like nobody else's kids. Not nobody else's kids.
Come here.
You looking at me like I'm supposed to be joking. I'm dead serious. I'm not saying. Let's say bye to the bird. That's her baby, y'all. Come in, Nanny.
Yeah, this Nanny's baby.
Nanny.
Hey, bye, y'all.
I want you to get him live so they can see him.
You want me to take him out again?
Yeah, so they can YouTube can see him. Y'all, she got this bird trained. He get her kisses and everything.
Oh, he ain't gonna do it for y'all when you say that. You gotta, he ain't gonna do it.
Be jinxing in there.
Hold on a minute. Huh? I'll call you back. I'm finna let him give me some sugar for them. Okay?
Say you gotta talk to the YouTube.
How you guys doing? My name is Nanny.
That's my nanny, y'all.
I got to
That's her baby. That's her baby.
come
Look,
on,
he know he
Mommy
about to get out.
Sugar. Come on. He had a long day though, y'all.
She brought him with her, y'all. You can tell how spoiled he is.
There you go. Cassie got it. All right, y'all. Now if he don't do it, don't be upset. Give Mommy sugar. Give Mommy sugar. Give Mommy sugar. Give Mommy sugar. Right here. Hand right here. Give Mommy sugar. Give Mommy sugar. Give me sugar. I love you. Give Mommy sugar. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss.
He like, here, mama, dog. He tired, y'all. Everybody been holding
Give Mommy kissy. Give Mommy sugar. Give me a kiss.
Oh, he giving her kisses.
They go to wings. Did they see it? I love it.
Her, y'all. He love his mom. I ain't never seen no bird act like this about no human.
Your mommy sugar. Your mommy sugar.
Oh. That's the bird, y'all.
Now watch this. Watch this, y'all. Put it close here. Put it here. Go home. Go home. Watch this. There you go. Go home. Yeah,
Good job.
good job, mommy, baby. You do look commands like that. But that's it, y'all. Thank you.
Y'all, we all in pajamas. Ella right up under me. King's asleep. Cassidy reading the book. Good. Right over there. So yeah. We're actually watching Harry Potter, guys. We love some Harry Potter. This is mad. I sound like this because I'm sleeping. There. We tired, y'all. Yeah, I decided to let all the girls spend the night at my house. Pray for me.
The kid falls asleep.
Pray for me.
The kid falls asleep.
Especially from Nelson.
The kid falls asleep.
Pray for me, y'all.
The kid falls asleep.
I don't know. Mama and Bay in the kitchen.
Dad's over. This is Harry Potter.